In this video, we're comparing Klaviyo versus Postscript. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Klaviyo handles both email and text messages in one place. It works with many stores like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Setting it up takes more time because it collects data to help you plan your marketing. Postscript is made specifically for Shopify stores. You can often have your first text campaign ready to send in minutes. Verdicts: Klaviyo is better for stores on different platforms. Postscript is faster for Shopify users who only want texts. Design and templates. Klaviyo offers hundreds of templates for email and text. You can use a drag-and-drop builder to make professional layouts. Its AI tool, KAI, can generate drafts and subject lines in seconds. Postscript focuses on text, picture, and rich images like RCS. It also has a drag-and-drop builder for making text campaigns quickly. With the brand sensor, you can teach AI your brand voice so texts sound like they come from you. Verdict: Klaviyo wins for visual design. Postscript wins for keeping a consistent brand voice. Features and functionality. Klaviyo is a complete customer platform. It uses AI to predict when customers will buy or leave. Because it connects to so many tools, it tracks everything from email opens to website clicks. Postscript focuses on making text messages as effective as possible. Its infinity testing uses AI to test hundreds of message versions to find what makes the most money. It also has an AI assistant named Shopper that answers customer questions over text. Verdict: Klaviyo is better for tracking the whole customer journey. Postscript is better for advanced text testing. Pricing. Klaviyo has a free plan for up to 250 contacts. Paid email plans start at $20 per month for 500 contacts or $35 for both email and SMS. The price scales as your list grows. Postscript has a starter plan with no monthly fee, but you must spend at least $49 on messages. Their growth plan is $100 per month, and the professional plan is $500. You also pay for each text sent plus carrier fees. Verdict: Klaviyo is cheaper for small lists. Postscript is an investment for brands sending a lot of texts. Support and reliability. Klaviyo offers 24/7 email support for all paid plans. Free users get email help for the first 60 days only. All paid plans also include live chat support with 24/7 chat access reserved for enterprise users. Postscript is known for fast and friendly support. On higher plans, they give you a launch specialist to help you set everything up. They also offer priority chat for professional and enterprise users. Verdict: Postscript wins for personal, hands-on support, extra perks, and unique features. Klaviyo recently added social auto-replies for Instagram. It can automatically ask people who comment or DM to join your lists. It also tracks state-level laws for you so you stay compliant. Postscript has a feature called CashBack. Instead of a coupon, customers can choose cash or store credit after they buy. This helps you keep more profit while rewarding shoppers. Verdict: Klaviyo is great for social media. Postscript is great for creative sales tools. Final verdict: if you want one tool for emails, texts, and customer data, Klaviyo is the best choice. It works on many platforms and uses powerful AI to predict behavior. But if you only use Shopify and want the strongest text marketing, go with Postscript. Their AI testing and shopping assistant are hard to beat. For most people starting out, I recommend Klaviyo because it covers more ground for less money. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use my links in the description to sign up to either Postscript or Klaviyo. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.